sometimes the ache isn't for the person. It's for the future you had already begun living in your mind. You may miss the home, mornings, trips, or promises that made tomorrow feel certain. When the relationship ended, those plans did not simply disappear. This is a particular kind of grief. You are not only releasing what happened. You are saying goodbye to what you believed would happen, the celebration, shared keys, the version of love that finally felt safe. That is why an ordinary morning can hurt. An empty chair, a song, or a date can remind you of a life you prepared your heart for even if you never lived it. Your hope was real. Your willingness to build, believe, and imagine was real. The future mattered because you brought sincerity to it, not because you were foolish. But a hoped-for future and a healthy future are not always the same. Sometimes the vision asks you to ignore your needs, wait, or become smaller so the relationship can survive. Releasing that future does not erase your love. It means admitting a dream should not cost your peace. Here are 4 gentle ways to begin. First, separate the dream from the person. Write what you hope to feel. Secure, chosen, understood at home. Those needs still matter, and one ending does not cancel them. Second, grieve the specific plans. Name the trip, home, traditions, or family moments you imagined. When grief has a name, you can honor it instead of letting it quietly pull you backward. Third, ask what parts of that future belong to you. Maybe you still want a peaceful home, morning walks, creativity, travel, or laughter. Give yourself one small piece now. Fourth, make room for your identity. Return to a routine, friendship, interest, or promise that is yours alone. Your next chapter should include more of you, not less. You do not have to build a new life today. Choose one next step. Clear a drawer, take a walk, plan a quiet Sunday, or write a page called What Peace Looks Like Now. The old future may visit again. Let it. You can bless the hope you carried without using it as a map. You may choose a future that meets your needs now. Someday, the life ahead will feel less like the one you lost, and more like the one you are free to create. What is one part of your new future you are ready to choose? Tell me in the comments.